in this video we are going to do we are going to learn about the position of adjectives. We are going to learn about the position of adjectives. In the previous video itself we have learned about adjectives. Do you still remember what are adjectives? Yes, adjectives are the describing words which is used to talk about the noun, how it is look like, how it is sound like. All those words are adjectives. Let me give you some example like loud music, tasty food. Okay, tasty food. Then a pink bag. So here if I am telling you pink bag, here I am talking about the color of the bag, that is pink. So here pink is an adjective. So in this video we are going to learn about the position of adjectives, and also we are going to do one exercise which is in your book, page number 35 only. Okay. So let me give you the short introduction to the adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which is used to talk about size, shape, color of the nouns. It is used to talk about size, shape, color of the nouns. So those words are adjectives. So what are adjectives? Yes, adjectives are the words which is used to talk about the size, shape or color of the nouns. Okay, let me read out the examples for you. I have written 3 examples. Here I am going to talk about the noun, that is shelf. In the first sentences I have written, this is a large shelf. This is a large shelf. Here the word large represent the size of the shelf. It talk about the size of this noun. That is, it look like it is a large shelf only. So here the word which is used to talk about the size of the noun, it is an adjective. So here which is an adjective? Yes, large is an adjective. So let's go for the second. This shelf is rectangular. This shelf is rectangular. So here the word rectangular, it is talking about the shape of the shelf. It's talk about the shape of the shelf, that is a noun. Okay, shelf is a noun. So it's talk about the shape of the noun. So it is an adjective. So here which is an adjective? Yes, rectangular is an adjective. Let me read out the third example for you. This is a red and blue shelf. This is a red and blue shelf. Here this red and blue are the color which talks about the shelf. It is the color of the shelf only. So here red and blue are the adjectives. So are you clear about what is adjective? Yes, adjectives are the words which is used to talk about size of the noun or shape of the noun or color of the noun. Clear? Okay, so there is some order to write the adjective, to use the adjective. What is the order? That's we are going to learn. Okay, so I have written like some small formula that whenever you write adjective, whenever you are going to talk about the adjective, first you have to write the size. What is the size? What is the size of the noun? That only you are going to write first. Then the shape, then color. At last we are going to use the noun. Whenever we are going to use the adjectives in a sentence or in a word, that we have, if the sentence are talking about the size of the noun, that only will come first. After that we will use shape of the noun and then color. Next only we are going to use the noun. Clear? So if you find out any adjective which is incorrect, what is the correct position? First we need to use size, then shape, then color. At last only we are going to use the noun only. Okay. So for this one we are going to do the exercise which is in page number 35. Okay. So let me read out the question first. Okay. The Roman will be put the adjectives in the correct order. So they have written in order. Incorrectly they have written. Now you are going to write them in the correct order. Okay. So the first question is dark, long, room. Here the word dark and long are the adjectives and room is the noun. Okay. So here it is what scrambled. They have written in wrong order. What is the correct order? Which word first come first? Yes, size will come first. After that we need to write shape. If shape is not there, then color. After that only noun we need to write. Okay. So here is there any size they have mentioned? Yes, size will be long. Long is the size name only, right? So here we are going to write long first. After the order will be what? We need to take the shape. Is any size will come. If shape is has given means we need to write shape. Shape if it is not given then we will go for the color, that is dog. Then what is the actual noun here? Room. Then correct sentence will be long dark room. Am I clear? Okay. Long dark room. Let's go for the second. Black short cat. Black short cat. Here black is the color name, short is the size name, and cat is the noun. Okay. So here which will come first? Can you tell me? Color will come first? No. What is the order? We need to write first size. Is the size given? Yes. What is the size? Yes. That is short. Now shape. There is no shape has been used in this sentence. So then we'll go for the color. That is black. You can use black. Then the noun will be cat. So the correct order will be short, black, cat. Okay. Let's go for third. White small puppies. White small puppies. This is the wrong way of saying. So we need to write them in the correct order. So first we need to write the size. Is there any word belongs to size? Yes, small. Small. Let's talk about the size of the noun. In any shape? No. Any color? Yes. What is that? White. Then what is the noun? That is puppies. Okay. Let's go for fourth. Yellow big round ball. Yellow big round ball. So here first what we need to write? We need to write the size. Is there any word related to size? Yes, that is big. So I am going to write big first. Then any shape? Yes, round is the name of the shape. So big, round. Then color? Yes, yellow. Then actual noun will be here ball. Big, round, yellow ball is the correct order. Whenever you are saying something, when you are describing some noun, you have to use the same order only. That is first you need to say the size, then shape, then color, then only you have to use the noun. Like big, round, yellow ball. Okay, let's do the last one. Square, brown, small box. The order is incorrect. What we need to write the first word? That is the size. Size name. What is the size name? Is there any size name given? Yes, small. Small. Any shape? Yes, square. Any color name has given here? Yes, brown. At last only we need to write the noun. So then small, square, brown box is the correct order. Remember that this is the correct order. That is whenever you are going to describe about the noun, you have to use the size name first, then shape, then color, then only you have to use the noun. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the first Roman. Let's do the second Roman. Okay students, let's do the exercise 2 which is in page number 36. So here we need to correct the position of adjectives. They have given 6 sentences in your book which is in page number 36. But the order of the adjective, the position of the adjectives is wrong. So we need to correct them. So 5 questions I have written. What about the 6th? Yes, 6th one you have to do it by yourself. We'll start from the first question. My dog Lola is white and big. My dog Lola is white and big. What is the correct position of the adjective? First we need to write size, then shape, then color, then only the noun. Here which comes first? Color, then only the size of the noun comes last. So we need to correct it. So the correct answer will be my dog Lola is, color will come last, size will come first. So I need to write the size name first, big and white. Clear? So we need to write the size name first, then will be shape, then at last only we need to write the color name. Remember that thing, okay? Let's go for the third. She plays with a red, round, big ball. She plays with a red, round, big ball. So here red is the color name, round is the shape of the ball and big is the size of the ball. So which comes first? Size, then shape, then only the color. So that is what we are going to write. So all other things will come as it is. That is she plays with a big, that is the size, big will come first, then shape, that is round, at last the color name red, and then only the noun ball. So this is the correct answer. She plays with a big round red ball. Okay. Next we'll go for the third one. This square small bed is where she sleeps. This square small bed is where she sleeps. Here this square will be the shape of the noun, small will be the size, and bed is the noun only. Okay. So here now we are going to change it. Just interchange it because small is the size name, that will come first. Square will come next to the size only. So the correct answer will be the small square bed. Then other thing will come as it is where she sleeps. Clear, children? Okay. So let me give you Tamil meaning for everything. Okay. So my dog Lola is big and white, means என்னுடைய dog Lola வந்து ரொம்ப பெருசா and white கலர்ல இருந்தது. Okay. She plays with a big round red ball. அது வந்து அவ வந்து பிக் ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு ரவுண்ட் பால்ல வச்சு ரெட் கலர்ல இருக்க அந்த பால் அத வச்சு தான் அவ ப்ளே பண்ணுவா. And third sentence, the small square bed is where she sleep. ஒரு small ஒரு சின்னதா ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப் சதுர வடிவில இருக்கிற பெட்ல தான் அவ தூங்குவா. Okay. Now let me tell you the Tamil meaning for fourth one. She has black short shoes. So என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா அவகிட்ட வந்து கருப்பு கலர்ல சின்ன ஷூ இருக்கு. But while saying this is not the correct way of saying. This is not the correct order of adjective. So we are going to change. So what will come first, short or black? Yes, short will come first. So the answer will be she has short black shoes. This is the correct way of writing the adjectives. So size or shape will come first. After that only black, the color name will become at the after the size or shape name. Okay. Next, fifth one. She likes to jump on my large green long desk. She likes to jump on my large green long desk. Okay. So அவளுக்கு வந்து என்னோடைய ஒரு பெரிய green கலர்ல இருக்கிற நீலமான ஒரு டெஸ்க்ல வந்து ஜம்ப் பண்ண பிடிக்கும். இதுல here they have given the incorrect order, so we need to correct it. Okay. So what will, up to this will come as it is, children. That is, she likes to jump on my now which will come first, large green long, which one, which is the same size name, long only, right? Long, then large will be the shape, then green will be the color name, that will come last, then only the noun, that is desk. She likes to jump on my long large green desk. We can also say that large long green desk also will come also, no problem. Okay. I hope you are clear with this exercise, children. Remember the order. If you remember this, there is size name will come first. After that, if there is a shape name, then it will come after the size. Then after size and shape, we need to use the color name. After the size and shape, we need to use color name. Then only we can write the noun. This is the correct order of adjective. Okay. And I have not written the sixth question, that you have to try by yourself. Okay. So what are adjective? Adjective are the size. It's talk about the size or shape or color of the nouns. And try other exercise also by yourself, because it is very easy. If you remember this order, then you can do it by yourself. Thank you.